Now we will discuss question number 1, 8. In this question, here given 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. First we have to reduce to linear equation in two variable. Let u is equal to 1 by 3x plus y and v is equal to 1 by 3x minus y. This one variable you can take any one, p, q, u, v, a, b, you can take any one. Now if we substitute, then equation number 1 will be what? 1 by 3x plus y means this one u plus v equal to 3 by 4. And this one equation, if we multiply by 4, then this one will be 4u plus 4v equal to 3. This one equation number 3. And equation number 2 will be changed. Here u by 2 minus v by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. Now if we multiply it by 2, then it will be u minus v equal to minus 1 by 4. Why? Multiplying both sides by 2. Multiplying both side by 2. Then we will get this one. Now from here, if we cross multiply, then it will be 4u minus 4v equal to minus 1. This one equation number 4. Okay. Now this one 4u, 4v equal to 3. 4u, 4v minus 4v equal to minus 1. Here coefficient of u and v are same. That's why if we add, then v will be eliminated, and if we subtract, then u will be eliminated. We can easily find the value of u and v by what? Elimination process. Now here 4u plus 4v equal to 3, equation number 3, and 4u minus 4v equal to minus 1, this one equation number 4. Now if we add, that means equation number 3 plus 4, then what happened? 4u, 8u, and these two will be cancelled, and this one will be 2. That means u equal to 2 by 8 means u equal to 1 by 4. We will get the value of u. Next, again, if 3 minus 4, if we subtract, then what happened? These two will be cancelled. This one will be 8v and 4. That means v equal to 4 by 8. Therefore, v equal to 1 by 2. We get the value of u and v. Now, if we put the value of u and v, because here we take u is equal to 1 by 3x plus y, v is equal to 1 by 3x minus y. That's why u equal to 1 by 4. This implies we will get 1 by 3x plus y equal to 1 by 4. This means 3x plus y equal to 4. This one equation number 5. Again v equal to how much? V equal to 1 by 2. V equal to 1 by 2 means v means 1 by 3x minus y equal to 1 by 2. This implies 3x minus y equal to 2. This one equation number 6. Now here 3x plus y equal to 4 and 3x minus y equal to 2. Here 3x minus y equal to to this one, equation number 6. If we add, then y will be cancelled. If we subtract, then x will be cancelled. That's why we can, if we want to eliminate y, then equation number 5 plus equation number 6. Then we will get 3 plus 3, 6x is equal to 6. This implies x is equal to 6 by 6. This means x is equal to 1. And if we subtract, that means 5 minus 6. Equation number 5 minus 6. Then if we minus, then this one will be cancelled. 3x minus 3x cancel, and this one will be plus. Therefore twice y equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. That means y equal to 2 by 2. This means y equal to 1. This way we get the value of x and y. Here what we have to do? For x is equal to 1 and y equal to 1. This is the answer. First we have to substitute this 1 by 3x plus y equal to u, and v equal to 1 by 3x minus y. After that we substitute, then we get the equation 3 and 4. Okay, these two equations. Next we substitute by elimination method. We find the value of u and v. Then we put the value of u and v. We get the equation, another two equation. 3x plus y equal to 4, 3x minus y equal to 2. Then from these two equations, again by elimination method, we find the value of x and y. You can proceed by another method also, cross multiplication method, yeah, substitution method, but elimination method is easier than this one to solve this one sum. That's why I have done like this way. You can do any one method. Thank you.